Advanced features. In addition to performing the regular functions, your 655 phone supports several more advanced functions. If you use any of these features on a regular basis, you may benefit by having one or more of these features assigned to the virtual keys on your phone. The following discussion of these advanced features assumes you have properly configured them on one of the phone's virtual keys. Overhead paging. If you often need to track people down in a large showroom or factory floor or school setting, sending out an overhead page might be a great tool to have at your disposal. To page an area, Step 1. Press the page virtual key. Step 2. Speak into your handset or headset. Step 3. Hang up when you are finished. Group paging works the same way. You can also send an audible message to a select group of users configured for group paging. By pre-configuring a group extension associated with the members of that group, you can record a message for broadcast over the speakers of those ShoreTel IP phone users. Parking and unparking calls. Parking a call enables you to send a caller to another extension without having the call go to voicemail if the recipient of the call happens to be on a call. The call appears on the recipient's extension as a call on hold, or goes into a queue if there are calls already waiting on hold. This is a common feature receptionists use to send calls to sales or customer service staff. To park a call, Step 1. Press the Park virtual key. Step 2. Dial the extension or use the directory to find the party. Step 3. Press the Park soft key again. If you use the Park or Unpark feature often, you may want to have your system administrator configure a custom key to provide a one-button unpark operation. The bridged call appearances allows calls made to one telephone number to be answered by multiple telephone sets. You can use this feature to answer a call for someone who may have stepped away from their desk. Smaller offices are the main users of the BCA feature. For example, a branch office reception desk can be answered by a receptionist at another branch. Once a BCA is set up on your phone, you can also place an outbound call using a bridged call appearance, so other users can view the call activity. To place an outbound call, do the following. Step 1. Press the bridged call appearance. Step 2. Dial the trunk access code and dial the number. Silently monitoring is a feature that lets you listen in on a call without being heard. You can also include yourself as a full participant in a conference call by using the Barge In feature. If your administrator has given you appropriate permissions to do this, you can silently monitor a call by tapping on your Silently Monitor virtual key dial and enter the extension of the call you want to monitor. Barge in on a call by tapping on your Barge In virtual key and then enter the extension of the call you want to enter. Whisper page. This feature lets receptionists unobtrusively alert employees in the office of an urgent incoming call. They will be able to break into conversations and speak with their colleagues without being heard by the remote caller. If your administrator has given you appropriate permissions to do this, you can issue a whisper page to another extension by Step 1. Tapping on your Whisper virtual key. Step 2. Entering the extension of that user. Toggling the hunt group. A hunt group refers to the method of distributing phone calls from a single PSTN number to a group of salespeople or agents. You can toggle the hunt group standing between the busy and not busy status by simply tapping on the hunt group button to make yourself available. Changing the state of workgroup agent, supervisor, or operator. If you are a member of a work group, you need to log into the work group at the start of your day, log out during breaks, and at the end of your shift. The agent state option is only available if your personal call manager client type is one of the following: workgroup agent, workgroup supervisor, supervisor, or operator. Once your login and logout access is set up on your phone, you can change the agent state on your IP655 phone by doing the following. Press the Login Virtual button to log in. Press the Logout Virtual button to log out. Congratulations! Now that you have completed this module, you will be able to program your virtual buttons, use the intercom feature, use overhead and group paging, park and unpark calls, understand the bridged call appearances, use the silent monitoring, barge-in, whisper page features, toggle the hunt group, change workgroup agent state.